Welcome back, everybody. This is 6.1a Graphing Systems using the graphing calculator. This could be a little difficult for some of us who don't have graphing calculators at home. I've offered several options on the website for you to either download a graphing calculator on your computer, on your iPad or iPhone, or on your Droid or Samsung phone. So you can find those options, and I'm going to show you on the website. So here's my website, and we go to More and click Graphing Calculator. Here's one for the PC, here's one for the Droid, here's one for the iPhone. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use multiple ones using my iPad that I'm recording on right now. So again, this is in section 6.1. And if you need links again under 6.1, here they are. This top iPhone and iPad, graphing calculator on your Android, here's on your computer, and you follow the steps. This top one, Graph Systems Online, is an easy alternative to graphing without having to download anything. So I'll show you how to use that one too. Okay. So we're going to pick up where we left off yesterday. We're given two equations, and we need to graph them both using their slope and their intercept, their y-intercept. So let's take a look. First one, our m and our b. My slope is 1 over 1, and my b value is a positive 3. So I'm going to start at positive 3. My slope tells me to go up 1, right 1. So follow that pattern all the way through. Okay, we're going to connect these. And put our arrows on the end. Our next line, my slope is negative 2 over 1, and our b value, our y-intercept, is positive 6. Put a point at 6, and I'm supposed to go down 2 and to the right 1 each time. There's our intersection point already. We'll connect the points, put our arrows, and now I can label y equals negative 2x plus 6, and y equals x plus 3. My solution, or our intersection point, is located right here, and that's at the point 1, 4. So 1, 4 is our solution. Okay. Feel free to pause when you need. If you need to pause in between lines in order to catch up, that's okay. Resume the video when you're ready. Question 2, same deal. We're going to identify those slopes and those y-intercepts, and we're going to figure out where the intersection point is, or the solution. M and b. Our slope is negative 4 over 1, and my b value is a positive 2, so up 2 from the origin. My slope tells me to go down 4 and to the right 1 each time. And when we can't go down and to the right anymore, we go up and to the left. So there's our first line. Okay. Our second equation, My m, or our slope, is 2 over 1, and our b value is a negative 4. So put your first point at negative 4 on the y-axis. Slope tells me to go up 2 and to the right 1. There's our intersection point. Follow that pattern. And when we can't go up and to the right, you go down and to the left. Connect our points. I can label y equals 2x minus 4, y equals negative 4x plus 2, and our intersection point is right here at the point 1, negative 2. So our solution is 1, negative 2. Number 3. Let's try and change up these colors a bit. Here we go. Can we see that? Yeah. Cool. Okay. Our m value is 1 over 1. My b value is 0, so we are starting at the origin, and we are going up 1, right 1 each time. Follow that pattern all the way through. Oops. Okay, there's our first line. Our second line, and we'll go orange. Our m value is 2 over 1, and our b value is positive 4. So put a point at positive 4 on the y-axis, and our slope says to go up 2 and to the right 1 each time. When you run out of room, you go down in the left. Okay. There's our lines, and we can label y equals 2x plus 4, and y equals x plus 0. Our intersection point, where the blue and the orange meet, is right here. That's at the point negative 4, negative 4. So our solution is negative 4, negative 4. Number 4, reviewing graphing systems of equations. Again, same process. My m value is negative 6 over 1. My b value is negative 6. Now I'm supposed to go down 6 and to the right 1, but obviously that is off the graph. So we have to go up and to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left 1. And that's all we're going to fit for that graph. Okay. Okay. Again, we have m and b. M is 1 over 1. B is negative 1. We're going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and so on. Now we see that these two equations intersect, but they intersect in a strange place where it's not numbered. Right here. It's in the middle of a box. So how are we supposed to know what the solution actually is? Well, that's why graphing using the calculator is going to be able to help us when we come across scenarios like this. So I'm going to show you several ways on how to fix or solve this equation because we can't determine it looking at the graph right now. So, first way, if you have an iPad, a Mac, an iPhone, this is going to be the app for you. You're going to download the Calculate 84 app. Remember, you can find it on the website. Clicking on this link right here with the iPhone or iPad. Looks like this. You're going to hit the y equals, and we should get a list of y's in the window at the top of the screen. We are going to type in the two equations that we are trying to solve, which is negative 6x minus 6. So go ahead and type that in first, negative 6x minus 6. Then go down to y2, and we're going to put the second one in, x minus 1. Y equals x minus 1. I'm going to hit graph. And this is exactly the graph that we just plotted on our own pieces of paper, on our own packets. We're going to hit the second button, this blue button, and hit the word trace at the top. I am going to look in this list for the intersection point, choice 5. Okay, so again, second, trace, 5. Our intersection point. Now notice at the top of the screen it says left bound. You're going to hit the left arrow key until the black X is on the left side of the intersection and hit enter once. Now if you notice at the top of the screen it asks for right bound. Move to the right, and anywhere on the right of where the two lines cross is okay, and hit enter. Okay, and our intersection point is listed on the bottom left of the window, and it's a really messy decimal, negative 0.71429 and negative 1.71429. So we're going to round that off to negative 0.71 and negative 1.71. And there's your solution. Okay. I'm going to show us multiple ways, not just for the iPad, on how to solve that moving forward. If you have a Droid or you're using the Calculate 84 app, these are the steps you are going to solve. They're also listed right on the website, right down here. Okay. So let's try this one. Now, we're not going to get some nasty decimals. I'm going to try and make these a little nicer for us. Okay, and then we're going to have a few practices this way. So, let's try it using the iPad version, Calculate 84, and then I'm going to try it using just the online only where you don't have to download anything. I'll show you both ways. Okay, so here's our two equations, negative 2x plus 4 and negative 4x plus 12. We're going to have to type those in. So, go back to Calculate 84, hit second mode to quit everything. We're going to go to y equals. I'm going to clear out both the equations from the previous problem, and we're going to type the new ones in into y1 and y2. The first equation was negative 2x plus 4. Negative 2x plus 4. The second equation is negative 4x plus 12. Negative 4x plus 12. Again, we'll hit graph. We have a new graph in the window now. Second, trace, And again, we want choice 5, the intersection point. I'm going to move the arrows until we can see the blue X, and we want to go left of the intersection point, which looks right about there. So go left a little, hit enter. Go to the right of it a little, hit enter. And if you look in the bottom corner, our intersection point is at 4, -4. Much, much neater. Okay? So this is how to find the intersection or the solution without having to plot. 4, -4. Now I'm going to show you using the free online-only version of the graphing calculator. So again, on the website, we're going to use Graph Systems Online. Now again, we're just going to type in our two equations. So y equals -2x plus 4. -2x plus 4. Go down to line 2. Type in again. Y equals -4x plus 12. -4x plus 12. And if you notice, now we can kind of move around on the graph a little bit. Here's our intersection point, and what is it? 4, -4. Same exact answer, two different ways to get it. Solution 4, -4. The only other thing you need to do for this packet is I give you 12 examples here. You're going to use one of the methods I just showed you to type in the equations and figure out where the system, the two equations, intersect for that solution point. So I'll do the first one with you, and then I'll let you guys work on your own. And again, I supplied the answer key for you to double check your answers. -2x plus 2 and x minus 1. So I'm going to go here, go to y equals, and clear out everything. If it'll clear. There we go. -2x plus 2 and x minus 1. -2x plus 2, x, was it minus or plus? Minus 1. Second graph. Whoops, just graph. Hit the graph button. We should get our lines, and I want to do second trace, choice 5, intersect. Left bound, move those x's to the left side. So here's the intersection or close to it. Go to the left, hit enter. Go to the right, hit enter. And our intersection point in the bottom left corner of the white window is 1, 0. And we'll change this to red for us here. 1, 0. Now again, I'll show you using the other method. If we go back, whoops, to the internet, we can clear these out. And I'm going to type in y equals and we have -2x plus 2. Yeah, well, we'll show you this one. -x and positive x. -x, positive x. There's our two graphs. And where's our intersection point? Right at 0, 0. Okay, so why don't you just work on the remaining 10 of these. Again, you can always check your answers on the back and the answer key. If you have any questions, as always, you could email